Hello guys, this is Shahrukh Akhtar again with the OGs of the infamous video of RVS Library, and he's the man behind it all, who said that we have to do the crash course. Meet Mr. Nashid Asgar, and the one who started questioning in the video that it was a hyperlapse, time lapse, or something like that. Mr. Raj is also an IT guy, an enthusiast, half hacker, and also a real hacker as well. And let me introduce you to Mr. Sharik, who was in a dilemma in that video, of course. And Mr. Raj, say something.
What do you want to hear?
Anything.
Share your experience.
Share your experience.
Like after
RVS CAT, what did you do or what happened?
See, after RVS CET, I have to put so many effort. हाँ डिग्री तो नहीं लिया भाई. हाँ डिग्री नहीं लिया. डिग्री लेके आने के बाद
डिग्री मिल जाएगा क्या, कोई मसला नहीं है, डिग्री मिल जाएगा. So can you recollect some of the memories while at RVS CAT or after RVS CAT? Anything of that sort, you know.
देख
Just
बहुत
for fun.
दिमाग में आ रहा लेकिन.
Yeah, come on, share your wisdom with us.
Yes.
See, I'm not that person who can share so many things. I'm not. I'm just camera sensitive, camera shy person. That's why it's like. Yeah, that's why I'm
I
not.
can feel. So let me ask some question. Then you're more comfortable.
Yeah.
So
Go on.
did you learn something at RVS CAT, our beloved college?
Yeah, it's like we learned like hustle. We hustled so much, right? So
Like the hustle in the rap battle or what?
no, it's not about rap battle or something, but we learn how we can deal with the situations,
And society as well.
society as well. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very tough that time because we took 5 years instead of 4.
So did it make your life easier? Somewhat easier?
Not easier, but after that, like extra 1 year, it's like something. So far, we learned so many things in that same year. How we can crack the multinational RVS CET exam.
So okay.
It's not about MNC. It's about like how we can see MNC is easier than cracking that RVS CET internal exams. So yeah. It's a process.
So as we say, there is a silver lining in everything.
Third semester. Yeah.
As you say, there is a silver lining in everything.
Yeah.
So it definitely has taught you some experience.
Correct.
How to deal with people and also in life as well.
Yeah.
So where are you now?
I'm at Sharik Bhai's home. And
Yeah, but in life-
it's pretty fun. In life, we are at the same place as we are like 6-7 years ago.
Okay, let me rephrase that. Where are you now in your life? At your life, what you're doing?
I'm just 7-8 years older than my previous age. That's the only change, I guess so. Same, Nasid Bhai said there's no change in me in last 6 years. So
Yeah, personality wise वो तो सही है. Personality wise वो सही है. Personality
it's
wise,
all same. You can say
everything is going fine.
everything is going okay.
Where are you working at?
Uh-huh.
Where are you working at?
I'm working at
We will come to you as well.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Video is getting longer.
No problem. YouTube has got lots of stories.
Yeah.
So where were we?
Go on. Yeah. So what was the question?
But the thing is, how I will share that video.
I think you are both in the IT field. You'll find some ways to
We'll
share.
figure it out.
So what's your experience? What was your experience at RVS CAT? How do you recollect those memories?
Experience is just like passing time. Like if I would be sitting
One thing I have to
at
say
those
about
time,
RVS college.
I'll come to you.
Yeah.
will come to you. Yes, but as people say, time never waits for someone. So even if I was sitting in Jubilee Park, my 4 years would have spent in the same way. So there is not much difference. But yeah, met good people, had good memories. The people are still friends, and everyone is doing good in life.
Slightly married.
And yes, I'm married now.
He's married now. Yeah.
Yes. So all people are doing good in life, and we are happy. We are still hanging around with each other and enjoying our old memories and creating new ones. So yeah,
That was so nice. That was so nice and humbling. Let me, ask something. How do you look back at your decision that you took admission in RV City? How do you look back? In a positive way, optimistic way, or in a negative way?
Actually, what I should say, my memories have faded a lot. I can only remember buildings, greenery.
No,
and
your
those-
decision to take admission in RV City.
No,
How
my
did-
decisions are always good. Actually,
You are
I
quite
never
optimistic
regret.
guy.
I never regret. Actually, I pretend that I never regret.
But you have regret.
But deep inside, deep
Yeah,
down the
inside.
yeah,
Kind of.
the,
Yeah, kind of.
as you see, guys, things
You have to.
things are changed, but
But
not
yeah,
that.
but never regret your decisions.
Yeah.
Deep inside,
We'll have to stick by
Yeah.
those
Yes.
decisions that we
at least we have
took
good
as a
guys.
teenager.
We have good guys.
We met good people.
Yes, we met good people.
We are four musketeers,
Yes.
as always.
Three are in the screen and one is out of the box. He's thinking out of the box.
I will
right
come
now.
to him as well.
Yeah.
He's impatiently waiting for us to
Yes.
be on camera.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. That was just lovely. Overwhelming. So this is the guy who actually taught us in that video, RV City Library video, that we had to do a crash course before joining RV City, and here he is now, a bit more matured. Meet Nashid Asgar.
Yeah.
So-
Hello guys, how are you?
Or
Yeah, you
बताइए।
can ask. You can ask
With
something
some-
about RES
with some
college.
extra
I will
details.
answer.
So I'll ask about your memories. Share us some of your memories.
I don't think I have some memories, but yeah, I have to say one thing about RBS College, that I have met so many. I have met 3 good people in my life
Okay.
that changed my so many opinions in my personal life. And I don't think that I have some memories in RBS College. Yeah.
Has it made you better as a person, RV City, the 4
No,
years
no,
there?
no, no, no. I don't think I am a better person from RBS College. I am a better person because of those people I met in RBS College.
Very good response. Yeah, very touchy.
And
Yeah.
I'm so serious.
Commendable.
I'm so serious about that.
I can see it in your eyes as well.
Yeah.
He's a bit emotional about all those things.
Yeah, man. Yeah, of
And
course,
whatever
of
he's saying is not saying from his mouth. It's straightly coming from his
Yeah,
heart.
yeah, bottom
He
of
is
my
not a
heart.
golden heart.
Thanks guys.
And where are you now? How do you see yourself in your at 2013 we actually took admission, and this is 2024.
Yeah.
11 years have passed, as we used to call in RV City the दशक, एक दशक और एक साल पार हुई है.
Yeah, I have to say that time I was a kid. Now I'm a boy. Man.
You're a man now.
Yeah.
This has left me speechless as well. I'm not speechless all the time, but some things they say.
You can also share something about RBS College.
I can only resonate with Nashid,
Yeah.
that we met some good people, we met good friends, and still we are friends. Yeah, that's a very good thing.
And I hope
I hope this friendship lasts
we'll
longer.
live forever.
Yeah, with in our graves as well. This friendship will go in our graves. We seriously hope so, inshallah.
Yeah, inshallah.
और बताइए कुछ अभी क्या चल रहा है? Okay, it's a bit emotional now. So guys who know this Nashid from that video, he was the one who actually told us that he is a very humorous person. He's got a good sense of humor. Yeah, he's humble as well, as you can see in the video. Yeah, and we'll try to collect this video from Sharik by whatever means. I don't know. Sharik and Raz are IT guys, so I am sure they'll figure out some
Yeah,
ways
yeah,
to
yeah.
say,
They're very intelligent person.
They're very
As far as I know.
As far as we know, they're very intelligent.
Sadiq is so intelligent. Yeah. I have to say this.
Intelligent or cunning?
Intelligent? No, not cunning. No,
Not cunning.
No. Not at all, not at all. He's a very golden art man.
Yeah.
But he's so intelligent. He know where we have to escape very easily. And
Actually, he can find out the loopholes.
He's so intelligent.
Guys,
to
he's,
say one
he's just
thing.
making fun of me, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
He is very sarcastic person. He's
motto
used a
is
lot
बने
of
रहो
sarcasm.
पगला.
काम करेगा अगला.
From first semester, बने रहो पगला, काम करेगा अगला.
And
And as
going
far
to
as
some-
Raj is concerned, Raj is very golden heart, very simple,
Elegant,
intelligent, elegant.
hacker.
He's just in front
No,
of
at
camera.
that time he's not a hacker, man.
Now he's an hacker.
No, he's a
Totally mad now.
yeah.
Red hat, no?
Yes.
And he's got some new plans in Riyadh as well. What about that?
Yeah, it's not about Riyadh, man. It's all over world. Europe, Middle East,
Global, yeah, global.
Africa,
You
everywhere.
know what is a global village?
Yeah.
They say
Yes.
It's a global village. It's not about Riyadh or
California.
or Chicago.
Yeah. That's all right. Thank you, Nashid, for your words of wisdom and sharing your experiences
Thank
with
you,
us
thank
and with you guys as well. And let me just conclude it with
Hey, if we can ask some previous questions on the video.
previous question from the video.
Yeah.
Just let me remember it.
We have to open it.
Yeah. I actually totally forgot what was in the
You know
video.
that crash course.
What about that crash course, Nashid? Yeah. What about
That
that?
time it's trending about crash course, IIT. I have said that context. No, I have not remember that. I am not matter to me that crash course or something.
You can see that over time has become more diplomatic.
Yeah.
More
No,
diplomatic.
I'm
has
not
become, yeah.
diplomatic.
That was a Panyagiri crash course. That's the trending topic.
Panyagiri in the sense,
Apple polishing. They say in English.
Yeah.
Apple polishing.
you can say also sugar coating.
Sugar coating. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn right.
And those people who say always sugar coating words, like they are very successful in
But they don't sleep
in
really.
career.
But and let Nashid answer some of the questions that were raised in our previous video by some of our followers. Alex Lucifer 203 asked, भैया CSC में यहाँ एडमिशन लेना ठीक होगा क्योंकि हमको यूसेट हज़ारीबाग भी मिल रहा है पर वहाँ ज़ीरो प्लेसमेंट है, तो क्या RVS ठीक रहेगा प्लेसमेंट के लिए या ऑफ कैंपस प्रिपरेशन के लिए? क्या वहाँ के बच्चे प्रिपरेशन का इन्वायरमेंट में रहते हैं फॉर CSC? तो आई थिंक ये क्वेश्चन का जो आंसर है वो नाशिद बेटर कर पाएंगे क्योंकि ही इज़ फ्रॉम हज़ारीबाग, बेसिकली फ्रॉम हज़ारीबाग. सो यूसेट में ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा एडमिशन लेना CSC में या RVS CT में?
मेरे को सीरियसली इस बारे में कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि कौन सा कॉलेज हजारीबाग में है.
Just focus on the study.
Also read some other comments man.
लेकिन दो ऑप्शन है, यूसेट हज़ारीबाग, RVS CT. आप क्या चूज़ करेंगे?
मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है
Can please
हजारीबाग का
unlock
क्या,
us?
कौन सा कॉलेज है, क्या है. I don't have any idea. So how can I say something about that?
हमको लगता है जैसे अपना RVS का एक्सपीरियंस है, आप एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. CSC में क्या है कि प्लेसमेंट है, होता है और आप ऑफ कैंपस भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं और CSC का पैकेज भी काफ़ी अच्छा है अगर आप IT फील्ड में जाते हैं.
हाँ.
या लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन द फ्यूचर पे. और CSC के से जहाँ तक ताल्लुकात है तो आई थिंक राज को जवाब नहीं देना
सारी
चाहेंगे.
people also.
चाहे CSC के बारे में कुछ कहना है?
IT person. Yeah, IT industry.
No, I am actually they have the
वैसे ही एक सेम क्वेश्चन है सुनीता चौधरी 2505 का. हाय भैया, RVS CT CSC या दुमका इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में CSC कौन बेटर रहेगा प्लेसमेंट रेशियो एंड पैकेज के अकॉर्डिंग?
See, I don't have any idea about
As far as I
Dumka.
know about RVS.
I have idea about RVS. Yeah, you can take admission. After that, you can prepare for some good IT course. Then you will get a job.
Okay.
As far as I know, maybe I'm wrong.
You can take admission, yeah.
Yeah.
Go for it. But you'll have to, prepare harder. Don't depend on college, depend on yourself.
Yeah.
Izrarul Haq 2490 said, just loved it. Thank you, bro. Thank Izrar. He is Nashid's best friend as well. He calls him Ishu. So thank you, Izrar, for your love.
Hard luck.
कैच ऑल सेंचुरी ने कहा है, भैया आपसे बात हो सकती है क्या RVS कॉलेज को लेकर कोई जाना था आपसे? ज़रूर बात हो सकती है. यू कैन ऑलवेज कमेंट इन आवर वीडियो
Yeah, yeah.
एंड कनेक्ट टू नाशिद है इन
Connect with Saruk also. He's very
Instagram as
intelligent
well.
guy. He know everything. He knows everything about RVS college. You can ask him.
अनिकेत ने पूछा है,
Yeah.
ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है होने
Okay.
वाला है भाई. ECE की प्लेसमेंट कैसी है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड
Bro, I
कनेक्शन.
have to say one thing about EC branch. You, the big benefit is about the big benefit. Is
कोई दिक्कत, take your time. He is from AC as well, so he can answer a lot much better. I am from also AC, but
big benefit
let the
about
legend
our
speak. Yeah.
DC branch, you can job with in electrical plant, turbine, power plant, as well as IT.
CSC, IT,
CSC, IT.
electrical.
Yeah. So you have 3-4 options in that branch.
ये किसी और ब्रांच में नहीं मिलता अपने
No,
को।
no.
If you are in AC, all the doors are open for you.
Yeah, no, all the doors, not, but maximum 4-5 doors are always open.
What about Windows?
Windows are
Windows are
like
closed.
Windows 11 is open now. Windows 11 is open.
और राहुल साहब ने कमेंट किया है,
Okay.
भाई यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच का प्लेसमेंट कैसा है?
अच्छा है, अगर टैलेंट है तो आप आगे जा सकते हो, नो इश्यूज.
हाफ ब्लडी यश ने कहा है,
ओके.
ब्रो 2021 में CS से करना कैसा रहेगा? अभी तो 2024 चल रहा है. I think we are a bit late.
better option. Yeah, you can take admission.
Just recent questions, sir.
About civils placement, अंकित कुमार ने पूछा.
Civil is always a evergreen branch, I think. This is my opinion. Because India has a major project is going on in India, so you can easily get a job in civil branch.
अब्दुल नज़ीर जो मेरा खास दोस्त है, वो आजकल कतर में होते हैं.
Okay,
उन्होंने
okay.
जस्ट कमेंट किया, कुछ पूछा नहीं है. उन्होंने कहा है कि अपना एक्सर्ट ओपिनियन, काफ़ी उनको एक्सपीरियंस है. कॉलेज में क्रैश कोर्स करना तो है ही, पर
Okay.
जॉब लगने के बाद भी करना पड़ता है. पनिया का डिग्री होना ज़रूरी है. आई
कोई
थिंक
डिग्री भी होता है क्या? I don't know.
इज जस्ट कमेंटिंग sarcastic.
Okay.
थैंक्स नज़ीरा. कल मिलो या शाम में मिलो. एक क्वेश्चन और है जो शारिक में भी बेटर जवाब दे पाए.
वेरी इंटेलिजेंट गाय.
फैंटेसी राहुल ने पूछा है, फैंटेसी
Yeah.
राहुल 114. इस ईयर था एडमिशन लिया हूँ, बट जो 10% स्कॉलरशिप था वो नहीं मिला.
Yeah, you
मेरा
can
60%
ask
अबव था.
scholarship
ये
what
सही है?
Actually, I don't have much idea, but at least I can say that that 10% is for Desh Hit. So you have, I mean, if you are a country lover, then you have to support the country, and you should not think for scholarship. Work hard, that is not an issue, but at least if you are a country lover, do not think for scholarship.
आई थिंक दैट वाज अ बिग पैट्रियोटिक एज वेल. हम लोग यहाँ एंड करते हैं वीडियो. एंड करें क्या?
No, at least
कुछ
Shahrukh,
question?
share your experience as well, like how to get into Tata Steel. So, I mean, by graduating through ISC.
It was actually sheer luck that I was selected in Tata Steel. I got a job there as well.
Congrats to him.
Thanks तारिक. एक्चुअली कुछ करना आपको क्या है कि आपको बहुत मेहनत है. जो आप पढ़ रहे हैं किसी भी अगर ब्रांच में है, वट एवर ब्रांच यूर इन, इधर CS, इलेक्ट्रिकल, एनी हो, आप अच्छे से पढ़ें. आप डिपेंड नहीं करें कॉलेज के ऊपर, नहीं. आपको अपने पे डिपेंड करना है, अपने आप को बढ़ाना है, अपडेट रखना है. जो भी चल रहा है उसके साथ अपडेट करना है. और जो भी आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स है उसके लिए तैयारी करें. आपका उसके लिए तैयारी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो आपका सिलेबस है वही आप अच्छे से पढ़ लेंगे तो हो जाएगा. और उसके बाद बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स आते हैं, जैसे टाटा स्टील के. आप फ्रेशर में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आप डायरेक्ट मैनेजर ट्रेनिंग हो सकते हैं. उसके बाद 1 साल के बाद आप असिस्टेंट मैनेजर हो सकते हैं. ये भी निकलता है. और जैसे मेरे केस में हमने भरा था एसोसिएट इंजीनियर के, जो कि 3 साल एक्सपीरियंस के बाद निकलता है वो फॉर्म. तो उसमें भी आपको बेसिक ही करना है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करना. आपको बेसिक पता होना चाहिए जिस भी फील्ड से आप, सिविल हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल हैं, मैकेनिकल हैं, बेसिक्स पता होंगे. और थोड़ा सा अभी कॉन्फिडेंस यू नीड इन इंटरव्यू. आप जो भी बोले हैं, सही बोले गलत बोले, उससे दैट डिपेंड्स. लेकिन आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बोले, दैट लीव्स अ मेजर इम्पैक्ट ऑन इंटरव्यूअर एज वेल. एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड इन माय केस आल्सो. एंड विद शेयर लक एंड गॉड्स विल, alhamdulillah, I got selected there.
So the moral of the story is like, see, I mean, whatever we said in the video, these are actually very true opinions. Okay, some part of it were silly jokes, so you can forget it. But I mean, the main moral of this message is like, see, even if you have graduated and you do not have a job, but that doesn't mean you have failed in life.
Yeah.
Okay, at some point of time, you will get a good job, and you will have a settled life, inshallah, everyone. And then never regret your decisions. Every decisions are good. You learn from every bad thing or even good thing. Every experience are good for you to move ahead in life. So never regret anything, guys. Work hard and do not be dependent upon any college or any institute to provide you placement. You have to be smart. You have to be updated and use all your tools. You have YouTube for learning. Every platform is there available free of cost. So do not waste your time in political things. Just be smart. Think for your family. Think for your own growth. Think for your group growth.
Think for your
And
own
then
happiness also.
once you are happy in life, you can keep connecting with your old friends as well. Like we are connecting. We
Yeah.
are connected very closely to each other. We
Wherever
share,
you go, don't forget your roots. you know.
yeah, never forget your roots. Okay.
And one thing I have to say, never lose hope.
Yes.
You will get.
Wherever you want
Right
to go,
time.
yeah, you'll get in the
This
right
is my
time.
belief.
I think that should be the belief of everyone as well. Thanks, Nashid, for your nice ending comment, and Sharik for a nice
And
ending
yes,
speech.
thanks to RBS CET as well in the end, as that was through the way that we met each other, and then we are friends for life now. So thank you RBS CET.
Yeah, thank you. And Raj, some conclusion from you as well.
Just enjoy every moment of the life. That's it.
Either it is inside the class or
Yeah.
in the college campus, wherever. Just make good memories.
Okay,
If you're feeling like it's not mean like you failed in life, you can do better in life, right? It's just an exam.
Just to give you a small hint, Raj actually his final year was delayed for 1 year because he had some backlogs. But you know, there is a good point, a very very huge point about it. Like even in those times where he had to study for one extra year, he actually invested those time in learning new skills, and now he is
He's an entrepreneur.
He's an entrepreneur as well.
Yeah.
He's again having a MNC job, and he's an entrepreneur as well. He's earning very good amount of money, and so you can see that whatever is happening to you at the present time, it doesn't decide your future. So just trust Raj words and work hard, inshallah. Inshallah.
You can learn in bad times only.
Yeah, bad times teaches you a lot of things. So this was a little meetup for our artists guys. We call our group as Four Musketeers, and hopefully we'll make more videos. We'll meet more often. Yeah,
Yes.
We'll try. We'll
Sure,
try.
sure.
Actually, we are here and there all the
It's
time.
very rare.
So we'll try to meet more. Thank you guys for asking your queries as well in that video. Yeah. So it will be a goodbye from us. In this
Goodbye.
video.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.